I'm probably guilty of being inflicted with something that volcanologists refer to as red rock fever. You see that red incandescent orange lava and there's just something transfixing about it.
That's why I came here to Syracuse. There's no other place in the world that has a big furnace like this that does lava experiments at such a large scale.
I've poured it over 2,000 times. And each time I see it, I'm as amazed as I was the first time we poured it here.
Fascinating seeing something that's such an absolutely fundamental part of the way our planet is built, the way almost all the planets in the terrestrial part of the solar system, the inner planets have been built.
And the reason we do it here is because we can make our own lava instead of going to Hawaii and waiting for a volcano to erupt. So we can get really close to the material, we can instrument it with things like thermal cameras, 3D cameras, things like that, collect the sort of data that you can't really collect in the field during an active eruption because it's so dangerous.
The pour today was on dry ice, and it's something we've been working on the last couple of years.
One of the motivations for this is understanding places like Mars that have dry ice on the surface near volcanoes, and really nobody knows what happens when dry ice and lava interact.
I get to witness something that nobody in the world has really ever seen before, and nobody in the world has ever described before. So this kind of new frontier of using experiments to explore what can happen in nature is really interesting to me.